How to fix headphones not working on PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix headphones not working. So all what you have to do is go to your PC. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Just go down here and click on this search bar and search for audio, and now click on sound settings and it will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do here is so simple. Just click on sound control panel and you will find many options right here. Now here, as you can see, you will be able to activate your headphones. This is my headphones, or you can disable it easily from here. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.